Your Toshiba TV may be showing a perfect picture, but if there's no sound, a few simple checks can often fix the problem in minutes. In this video, I will show you several troubleshooting steps you can try at home to get the sound working again on your Toshiba TV. Make sure to follow each step in order, as the issue is often caused by a setting, connection problem, or a temporary software glitch. First, check if the TV is muted. It may sound obvious, but the mute function can sometimes be turned on by accident. Press the mute button on your remote to make sure mute is disabled, then manually increase the volume and check if you can hear any sound. Next, try power cycling the TV. Unplug your Toshiba TV directly from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. After waiting the full 60 seconds, plug the TV back in and check if the sound has returned. Another thing to check is the audio connections. If you are using a soundbar, external speakers, HDMI devices, or audio cables, make sure all connections are secure. A loose connection can cause a situation where the picture works normally, but there is no sound. You should also verify the audio output settings on the TV. Open the audio settings menu and make sure the audio output is set to the correct source. If you're not using external speakers, make sure the TV speakers option is selected. If you have a soundbar or external speakers connected, check those devices as well. Make sure they are powered on and working properly. Check the volume level on the external device, then adjust the volume on both the TV and the external device to make sure there is no conflict between the two. It is also a good idea to test different sources. Try using built-in apps, switch to another HDMI input, or connect a different device. This can help you determine whether the sound problem affects the entire TV or only one specific source. If none of the previous steps have fixed the issue, you can perform a factory reset as a last resort. This can help if the problem is being caused by a software issue. Keep in mind that a factory reset will remove your apps and any custom settings, so you will need to set the TV up again afterward. That's it for this video on how to fix a Toshiba TV with no sound. I hope these troubleshooting steps helped you get the audio working again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did one of these solutions work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.